lets me down at the lonely lake. Before summer has gone away, swim out under a broken sky. Cold sun colored with shades of white. Wave goodbye to last summer. Cold air coming away soon, so let's lay under the falling moon. Tell me something about yourself. You've never told to no one else. Say goodbye to lonely nights of last summer. Say goodbye, say goodbye to lonely nights of last summer. Wrangle the kids, get them to bed. Warm up the tea and Granny's shortbread. Pillows and blankets on the floor. Light up a candle that smells like a pie. It's not my first choice, but it's what you like. And I always choose the music. Sitting here, we don't need to speak. In the glow of the lights on the tree. All the ways that my heart's bursting. It's the hope of the choir as they sing.